is up, everybody? Tell you what's up. My shirt is up right now. The wind is blowing it up. On this wonderful February afternoon. I'm sure it's freezing cold everywhere else, and so I shouldn't be complaining about anything. Right? Well, I am going to tuck my sweatshirt in so that doesn't happen. Well, forgot how to ride a motorcycle. Well, today I am officially coming back from this hiatus I've been on. I realized I can't make videos if I don't feel like it. And so I've been trying to make videos every week for like 2 years now. And I around the holidays I thought, like, you know, I'm just going to take a break. I don't feel like doing this, I'm not going to do it. So that's kind of what's been going on. I haven't stopped, you know, I haven't permanently stopped. I just thought I'd wait until I felt like it again. And so I've been trying to put this exhaust on my bike, and I thought I should actually get this video done. Because a while back I traded a guy my old stock exhaust pipe for a DG pipe. An even trade, because he just didn't like how loud it was. So I realized, hey, I have an FMF on my bike already. I have another stock exhaust from a previous motorcycle purchase. I have this DG pipe now, and I have recorded audio of my big gun pipe. So I thought I'd make a video where we do a little audio review. Oh, man. So on the motorcycle now is the DG pipe. I put it on 2 nights ago. This is the first time I've ridden the bike with this exhaust on it. The volume level is maybe a little louder than the FMF pipe that I'm used to. But it's got more of a sharp, like, poppy sound to it. I don't know, I guess you could probably say for yourself, because I'm going to record the FMF as well. But I like it. I like the way this sounds. And this pipe cost about $230, and so as far as XR650L slip-on exhausts go, this is probably your best bang for your buck. It's the cheapest pipe that I saw, at least of the ones that I've seen around. There might be a new manufacturer or some other manufacturer that's making something for less money. But as far as I can tell, DG is one of the cheapest ones. So if you're looking to modify your XR650L because you want to get rid of that stupid, ugly stock exhaust pipe, this is probably one that you're going to be looking at for sure. Oh man, I love it. It sounds wonderful. It's got like a rumble to it. Actually, dare I say, I think I might like this better than the FMF exhaust. I have an audio recorder here that I'm going to put underneath the seat to get cleaner audio of the exhaust pipe. I've done this before when I had my old bike and I had the big gun exhaust. You just have to set the gain really low. I just got some Velcro stuck to the battery box. I attached that recorder right there, and it picks up the exhaust audio pretty well, at least the last time I did it, which was a while ago. Do that to sync up the audio. Let's go for a ride. Enjoy the music. Oh man, well, fun fact, I've actually never bought an exhaust before. Because my first XR650L had the big gun on it, and it came with the stock exhaust. I never put the stock one back on, so I actually don't even know what the stock exhaust sounds like. When the original bike got stolen and recovered and totaled, I bought this one, and this had an FMF on it. So it's weird because like I've actually had I think all of the main exhausts for this bike, and I've never actually got one or like had to buy one and install it and figure all that out. So I'm gonna get this thing back up on the road here, and then we are just gonna head home, and I'm gonna swap the factory one on. We'll do a little comparison there. That thing is not running happy. Sure is quiet though. Alright. So this is the stock exhaust. First time I've ever actually heard one in person. I've had this thing on my shelf in the garage forever. I gotta say, it is definitely heavy in comparison to the other pipes. There's a lot of weight that you're gonna save by swapping this, which I think is the main reason a lot of people do it. Reduces the weight, and it kind of makes the whole thing sound better. I also realized I don't have all the hardware for this because the little clamp that clamps it onto the header pipe doesn't have any hardware. So it's bolted on real tight on the back end and not really bolted on at all in the front. But I'm just doing a sound comparison, so I think I'll be okay. Definitely sounds boring. Like, I hear more wind noise than I hear engine noise right now. And this isn't to like convince you to keep your stock exhaust. This is to give you a baseline for what the stock exhaust sounds like in comparison to the other two, at least as far as my audio recorder is capable of. That way, at least everything I'm showing you is recorded consistently on the same device. Alright, let's go see what she does. Startup was kind of rough. I wonder if there's actually a difference with the jetting that I'm using. It's hard to say how much jetting actually affects this. And I haven't done the research to tell you which jetting you should have for which pipe. I'm just showing you what they sound like. Yeah, so, definitely quiet. I get why people change them, but it should give you a baseline of like what you're getting with the other two pipes. So right now, why don't you check out the big gun, and then after that, I'll do a side-by-side comparison of all of them, and we can talk about it. So when I had the XR650L that had the big gun on it, I really liked that exhaust. I thought it sounded really nice. It was really loud, but I think of all three, the FMF, the big gun, and the DG pipe, I like the big gun the best. Big gun is about $330 just for the slip-on portion. FMF is about $320 just for the slip-on portion. DG is about $230, I believe I said that. And then there is the XR's only pipe, which I do not have, but that one is $200. That would actually probably be the most affordable option. I don't know, at the end of the day, it's whatever you want, but maybe this will help you make your decision. It was fun to do. Well, my next video might not be for a couple of weeks. I do want to get out and do some more camping. Maybe camp without a tent. I don't know. I haven't decided yet if I have the balls to do that. But I want to get back out there and get back into the swing of this. I'm also working on some merch. People have wanted shirts for a while, and I'm going to make that happen. Currently have some designs that are in the works. And by the time I come out with the camping video, hopefully I'll be ready to announce that stuff. So have a good one. Ride safe.